Master Business Analysis Collocations for Strategic Planning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into business analysis collocations. These are incredibly useful word combinations, especially when we're discussing strategy and planning in a business context. Mastering these collocations will not only enhance your vocabulary but also boost your confidence when dealing with business English. Let's start with the basics. What is a collocation? Well, it's simply a pair or group of words that are often used together. These word combinations just sound right to native English speakers, who use them all the time. In the realm of business English, using collocations accurately can give your language a more professional tone. Now, let's dive into some common business analysis collocations. Here are some examples. 1. Conduct an analysis. This is a way to say performing or doing an analysis. For instance, before making a strategic decision, we need to conduct an analysis of the market trends. 2. Perform a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a popular method used by businesses to understand their position relative to the competition. Example: we will perform a SWOT analysis to assess our business standing. 3. Draw up a plan. This is a formal way to say, make a plan. For instance, after careful consideration, we've drawn up a plan for the upcoming fiscal year. 4. Implement a strategy. This means to start using a strategy. For example, we need to implement our strategy to address the challenges identified in the analysis. 5. Carry out a forecast. This is used when you want to predict future events based on data. Example: we need to carry out a forecast to understand potential sales in the next quarter. Remember, these are not fixed rules but common usages. Feel free to mix and match words as per your understanding, but keep the context in mind. Now, it's your turn to practice using these collocations. Here's a simple exercise. Try making sentences using the collocations we've learned today. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become to you. And that wraps up our lesson on business analysis collocations. I hope this has been helpful and informative for you. With consistent practice, you'll soon be able to integrate these collocations seamlessly into your business English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you in the next video.